Hi guys, sabi ko bukas ko siya titikman. But wala eh. Curiosity killed the cat and I enjoyed it much. Oh, nag-rhyme. I love it. It's so spicy, it's matamis. So natikman ko na yung slice. And i-flex natin. Syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi flex yung block kung same lasa din. ASMR. Same din. So, expectation versus reality, hindi naman ako na-disappoint. Maanghang naman siya, so nakakatulong naman to sa digestion. Ang sarap na. Ang spicy nga lang. Ang anghang. But 10/10. Hindi ako na-disappoint. Ang sabi kasi ng pamangkin ko, shower out, baby, Johan, dito masarap. Nagustuhan ko siya, be. Well, that's all muna, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day, and as always, love, love, love.